Hello, dear participants. Welcome to the pre-training presentation for the operation of CNC Machine 1. In this unit we will talk about the process of loading raw material onto machine and operating the CNC machines. This unit includes preparing materials, identifying parts, operating the machines and automation systems and their operation. When this training is finished, the skills will be achieved by the participants are: 1. Connecting raw materials onto machine correctly. 2. Applying the circuit commands, recognizing the program codes and terms. 3. Manufacturing an object from a drawing issued, selecting proper machine parameters. We can divide this unit into 3 separate subunits. 1. Safety first. Basics of the safe operation will be introduced. 2. Fixing workpiece to CNC. See some of the most prominent methods for work holding, evaluating their respective pros and cons. 3. CNC operation. Basics of responsibility of the operator will be introduced. Maintaining quality and safety standards, keeping records, maintaining equipment and supplies. Don't forget to review content-rich material and assessments. Also participate to the case studies at the end of each subunit. Thanks for watching.